check this out. This is going to be the best looking Golf GTD you guys have ever seen. Certainly the best one that we've had. And what an impossible car to buy. Try and go and buy this car from a VW dealer. You will wait 12 to 18 months and you certainly won't get one with this specification. Dolphin Grey, 2022 22 plate car. It's done 1,000 miles in brand new condition. But look at the wheels, the Adelaide wheels. Check out the tilt and sliding roof. This car is absolutely incredible. And it's an impossible car to buy. That's what makes this car a seller. We buy the best cars day in, day out. This is another one, Mark 8 Golf, the most up-to-date VW you can buy. But it's the specification, it's off the scale. These wheels, the Adelaide wheels with red calipers, gloss black polished sections. It's a real stunner. The Golf 8 is so up to date inside and out with technology like the IQ lights to the front, that continuous LED light strip that runs right across the front of the car, and then these 5-pin fog lights which look absolutely stunning. It really is a top car, this. GTD 2-litre diesel, exceptional fuel efficiency, incredible to drive, 200 horsepower. It feels so much faster, it's agile, it's light. But the colour, it's modern, it's Dolphin Grey, it's metallic. You just don't see these cars on the road, especially with things like this, the tilt and sliding roof, something you'll use all year round, especially coming into the summer months. IQ lights to the rear, so modern, looks incredible on a night time. And then the practicality you get with a Golf, we always say it, we love Golfs, we love VWs, it's reliable. It's got all the manufacturer's warranty remaining. It's got oodles of space in the back. You've got a through load, you've got split seats, and it's in a brand new condition with 1,000 miles on. It looks incredible. Privacy glass, and then the iconic interiors these cars come with. The Tartanor crosshatch, GTD interior, ambient lighting, rear climate control. But it's such a sporty car, even though it's a diesel. It doesn't have to be boring, it drives so well. The seats are sporty, they hug you in, the steering wheel, the wraparound cockpit, everything about this car is first class. It really is a top car, and there isn't another one out there in the market to buy like this. We've done our research, we've priced it properly, but sitting in it, it's so modern, it's so advanced. Like all Golfs or modern Golfs, you get lovely features like adaptive cruise. Now, heated steering wheel as well, which is a lovely feature to have all year round. The car is brand new condition. Interchangeable cockpit behind the steering wheel. They've gone away with all the buttons in these new Golfs. It's all touch operated and it's seamless. It just looks beautiful. There are all your lights and stuff there. You've got a touchscreen interface with navigation, Bluetooth, media, apps connect. You've got smartphone interface, you've got wireless phone charging, you've got a short shift gearbox, which is lovely to operate, easy to use, front and rear parking sensors, putting it in a drive, away you go. Keyless start, hill assist, it really is a bell to this car. There's nothing I've got bad to say about it because it's got the looks, it's got the technology, it's got the specification, it's a 22 plate car, it's a pure seller. My name's Richard. Do not miss this car. If you're looking for a Golf, you're looking for a GTD, you're looking for fuel efficiency performance, then this is the car. Give me a call on the number on the screen. Thanks for watching.